Everybody starts from your basic CPR, ADC of life, or whatever is the code now, the method, arousal, check-in for consciousness, breathing status. But remember, safety first. When you respond, assess the surrounding safety for you and for your team. There, middle, at the middle, overlap, lapit, kamay nandito, yan. And then lock, rock, people, down, bar, hindi. More inclined heel, kaya yung dulo ng baba ng heart, kailangan mayroon siyang pad doon. Then, sa opposite side, kailangan nandun yung isang pad. Nasa picture naman yan eh. Okay? Ha? Diba? So, sundin ko siya. Dikit ko siya. Sundin ko siya. Dikit ko siya. Ayan.
Nakasakit po.
Ha?
Relax. Wala pa.
Ano pa? Mamaya, gagawin natin tamang pasunod-sunod. So, ito si AED. Ito si pads. Electrode pads yan. Ito si connector. So, you have to insert the lines dito.
Assess.
Wala man ako narinig. Paano? Anong gagawin mo? Ano? Bukas ang oxygen. Once nag-deliver ka ng shock, may kuryente ah. Pwede kayong sumabog.
So oxygen stays
Okay?
nice.
Just assemble.
Okay.
Stay close.
Yes.
Remember, when you open that, make sure surrounding mo, walang nagsisip.
I'm a rescue diver. May I assist you? No response. Checking the breathing, lifting up.
Ganun!
Checking the breathing.
We'll all then, in the afternoon, I think we will have time, I will discuss some more additional
Please
information.
call the KBS and please prepare the oxygen and the EKG. Start.
Yo!
Dive.
Iba ibang brand.
Certified manager, certified rescue.
Trainer, nakalagay doon, trainer. Order mo kalagay.
Diver, you okay? Checking for breathing. Diver not breathing, please call the EMS.
Please call EMS. Please prepare oxygen as well. And the AED.
AED. Ano meaning ng AED?
After
And prepare emergency, prepare oxygen and